So here we are going to be talking about how to get the derivatives of our inverse functions. And so the first way is to simply just say we have our function f of x, say it's equal to x squared. We know that f prime, so we can just figure out what f prime of x is by just reversing this. So we can say x equals f of x squared. Take the square root of both sides. Sorry, inverse here. The inverse of x is equal to the square root of x. So if we are able to figure out our inverse, then we can just derive it like that, and we can say that um, the derivative of this is going to be x to the 1/2. If we were to power rule this, we would get 1 over 2 radical x. So that would be one way to get our derivative of an inverse function. However, there is an other way. So say we have some function f of x, and g of x is equal to the inverse of f of x. Now say we want to find g prime of x, this is going to be equal to 1 over f prime of g of x. This is just a rule. This is just how it works. And so if we wanted to prove this, then we could show how f say f of x is equal to x squared, and then our inverse would be equal to square root of x. Then what we could do is we could say that our f prime of x is equal to 2x, and say we wanted to solve for our g prime of x, we could just use this formula, and we would get that it is equal to 1 over f prime of g of x, 2 times radical x. And we showed before in our last example that this is the correct answer. There we go.